welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are doing one of my favorite animals. We are going to be making a polar bear, or two polar bears. We are going to be making the big polar bear and the little polar bear, and I hope you love drawing it with me. And if you do, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow for more. We post new videos every week. Okay, let's get started. Amazing. So the very first thing we're going to start with is making our baby polar bear. So we're going to do two lines like this, and you want them to go at a little bit of an angle so that they're a little bit closer together at the top, but not too much. And then at the top of each line, we're going to do a little rainbow. So we're going to draw a little rainbow like that, and then we're going to attach the rainbows with a straight line. And then we can do a little rounded rectangle for the nose, and then on the inside you can draw your eyes and your eyebrows, and then your nose, which is an upside down triangle, and then a little fish hook mouth. So that's a J and a backwards J, kind of looks like a fish hook. Perfect. Then I did a little bit of ear designs, so I drew littler rainbows on the inside of the ears. And then whenever I draw bears, I always like to add little ear hairs just to give them some texture, so I added a little bit of ear hairs. And then we're going to make the big bear. So I actually started with the forehead of the big bear. So we're going to draw a line on an angle. And then at the end of each line, we're going to do these curvy rainbows for the ears. Then we'll draw a line going straight down on the top and then at a bit of an angle on the bottom, so that the polar bear is coming out of the corner. Perfect. Then you can do a really nice big rounded rectangle for the nose of the polar bear. And then we can draw our eyes. You can do your eyes however you would like to. I just did little circle eyes with some eyebrows. You can add some eyelashes. You could do sunglasses. That could be really fun. Perfect. And then we're going to do that upside down triangle. You can add a little reflection as well, which is what I did in mine. So just draw a little oval and leave it blank, and then color the rest in black. And then I did the fish hook mouth again. And then you can do your ear designs and add some little ear hairs. Perfect. Then I went in with a light gray and colored in my polar bear's nose. You can do any colored bear you would like to. You could do a brown bear, a black bear. You could do a rainbow bear, some blue bears, whatever you would like to. I picked a polar bear because it's my dad's favorite animal. So I always go towards making some polar bears. This also would make a great Father's Day gift or a card if you want to turn this into a card. I added a little bit of pink on the inside of the ears, and then I created this like fun design around my polar bears, which is really easy to do. We just draw a squiggly line going around both polar bears. Then whenever I color in a big space, I always outline my shapes first. So here I am outlining the polar bear. Beautiful. And then I'm going to outline the bigger polar bear, and then I color it in section by section, and this just makes it more fun instead of having a whole big section to do. And then I'm going to go around and color in some smaller sections, go around the top of my polar bear, and then fill that in. Beautiful. I just think it gives it like a really nice effect. It looks kind of cool. Then you can pick a darker blue, or you can do a whole bunch of different colors if you would like to. And we're going to go along that line there. And then we're going to fill in the top with the dark blue. I'm just going over my tape there. Perfect. And you can just fill that in however you would like. So I just went, and this blue marker was very juicy, so it was very satisfying to color it in. If you like any of the markers or pencils or pens that we're using, they're all linked down below, so you can have a look at those. But yeah, you're gonna fill in the blue part of your polar bear there, and then you have a finished drawing. And I hope you loved making this with me. And if you gift it, please send me a photo. I would love to see. Even if you don't gift it, please send me a photo. I would love to see. And we will see you guys next time.